Good afternoon. Now, let us start with the 4.2 exercise. First exercise is already over. Now, before doing this problem, you must follow all the formula. What are the formula? Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A, sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A. These are all the formula, you know. Already I wrote the formula. Thorough all the formula. You must follow one formula. Remaining all the formulas are derived from the previous formula. That's all. Now what is asking? Find the value of the following. The first subdivision, cosecant 15 is asking. But we know the value for sin A plus B, sin A minus B. No cosecant formula. Cosecant is what? Reciprocal of sin. Cosecant is 1 by sin. That's why find the sin 50 degree after taking reciprocal. That is called cosecant 15. I am finding sin 15. Am I right? So cosecant 15 equal to 1 by sin 15. That's why consider sin 15 degree. Am I right? Sin 15 degree can be done as sin of, we know the only value for trigonometry table, no? Trigonometry table. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. That's why this 15 degree can be done as in terms of 30, 45, 60. What is the method? The 15 degree can be done as 45 minus 30 one way. Or otherwise 60 minus 45. You write any one of the method. I want to write 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. It is of the form, write the formula is for sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B, am I right? Plus cos A sin B. This is the formula. Am I right? Plus means plus, minus means minus the formula. This is the formula. Am I right? Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is the formula. Now you see, here A is what? Here A equal to 45 degree, B equal to 30 degree. Substitute here, sin 45 degree into cos 30 minus cos 45 into sin 30. Now you know the value. Already told you denominator table 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. No? What is the method to find? 0 degree, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Take a square root. Am I right? Now remove the square root. 0 by something, 0. Root of 0, 0. Root of 1 is 1. Divided by root of 4 is 2. You can't say no. Am I right? Root by 1 is no. Root of 1 is 1. The 2 root of 2, 220. Here root 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Can't say no. 1. Root of 1 is 1. This is sin value. Cos value is what? Reciprocal. A reverse. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is what? Divide. Sin by cos 1 tan, no? 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel. 1 by root 3. Both will be cancel 1. 2 to cancel root 3. Any number by 3 infinity. This is the trigonometry table lower class here. Am I right? This is very important. This is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now using this table, sin 45 is what? Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is what? Cos 30. Root 3 by 2. Sorry, this is 1 by 2. Sin 30, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Again 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. What is LCM? 2 root is LCM. What is numerator? Root 3 minus 1. What we want? We want cosecant of 15. What is reciprocal? 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1 is the answer. That's all. This is the, by using this table only we get the answer, and also by using this formula, trigonometry formula, very important formula. This is the answer. For cosecant 15, direct not possible to find. Cosecant means we know the formula. reciprocal of sine. That's why I am finding sin 50 degree by using the sin a minus b formula. After simplification, we get the answer root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, we want cosecant 15. Reciprocal is 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. By using this idea, you must know that this table very very important. And also more than 90 also. I explained the AST, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter idea, no? This is our idea very important. First quarter over. Now next one here, second subdivision, sin of minus 105. But sin of minus 105 came as minus sin 105. What is the reason? The cos and the secant only even function. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. Secant of minus theta, secant theta. But remaining 4 point, you know, sin, cosecant, tan, cot, these are odd function. But sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So minus sin of 105. The 105 came as sin 60 plus 45. Am I right? Now it is on the form. In the formula, write the formula in the form actually. What is the formula? Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula. Mention the formula clearly. Here, what is the answer? Here, A equal to 60 degree. B equal to 40 degree. Substitute here. Minus on this bracket. Sin 60 cos 45 plus cos 60 sin 45. In therefore, mention the formula clearly. Minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 by using the trigonometry table. Cos 60 1 by 2, sin 45 also 1 by root 2. Now minus, what is LCM? 2 root 2 is LCM. What is numerator? Root 3 plus 1 is the answer. That's all. 1 by 2 mark 3 mark question. By using the trigonometry formula and the trigonometry values, we get answer. That's all. Listen here. Third subdivision, cot 45 degree, cot 75 degree. This is the question. Now, cot 75 means reciprocal of tan. That is 1 by tan 75. Because we know the value for tan 75. Consider tan 75. The 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. What is the reason? Tan 45, tan 30, we know the value. Suppose 75 can be written as 70 plus 5, 72 plus 3, 50 plus 25, no use. What is the reason? The trigonometry table, we know only for value for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. That's why you want to write in terms of the angle 45 plus 35, 30 degree. What is the formula? Tan A plus B is the formula. Is the formula here? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A, tan B is the formula. Here A is what? A is 45 degree. B is what? 30 degree. Substitute here. Tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Here also 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Am I right? Now, in numerator, what is LCM? Root 3 is LCM. Cross multiply root 3 into root 3 plus 1. Here also root 3 is LCM. Cross multiply root 3 minus 1. Cancel. Am I right? Therefore, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. But what is asking? Cot 75 is asking. That means what? Reciprocal of this one. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is the answer. That's all. Tan 75, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Cot 75 means reciprocal. Root of root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is the answer. This is a rough formula claim. Mention the formula. These three problems are by using trigonometry formula. Sin A plus B or cos A plus B or sin A minus B or cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B. After this, substitute the angle and similarly we get the answer. Now next question. Find the value of the following. First subdivision, sin 76 cos 16 minus cos 16 sin 17. Now it is of the form sin A cos B because A is 75, 76. Here also 76. B is 16. Here also 16. That's why sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know that this is a formula. We know that sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin of A minus B is the formula. Am I right? Here A is what? A equals 76, B equals 16. Then write the question. Sin 76 into cos 60 minus cos 76 into sin 16 is equal to sin of A is 76. 76 minus B 16. Subtract 60. Sin 6 is what? Root 3 equals answer. Mention the formula clearly, then only we get the answer easily. This is 2 mark or 3 mark only. Anyway, it is of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Formula for this one is sin A minus B. Previously, by using this equal to this, but now reverse, conversely, this equal to this. Anyway, both are same. Sin instead of sin A plus B, A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. But here it is of the question, it is of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. The formula for this one is sin A minus B. Substitute A value, B value, get the answer. The same thing here also, we know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to in between plus is there, just A plus B. Am I right? Okay, what is A? A is pi by 4, B is pi by 12. Am I right? Now write the question, substitute. Therefore, sin pi by 4 into cos pi by 12 plus cos pi by 4 into sin pi by 12 is equal to sin of A is what? Pi by 4, B is what? Pi by 12. Now sin of, what is LCM? 12 is LCM. How many times? 3 times. 3 pi by 4, pi. 3 pi plus pi. That is what? Sin 4 pi by 12. Cancel. Pi by 3. Pi is what? 180 by 3? 60. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. In this way, you will find the answer. Okay, both the problems are by using formula afterwards. Guess the A value and the B value, we get the answer. Both the problem, the answer same answer, root 3 by 2. Am I right? Now, first the problem over. Now, third subdivision, cos 70 degree cos 10 minus sin 70 minus going to sin 10. It is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is the formula? We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos of A plus B is the formula. Okay, A is what? 70. A is 70 degree. B is 10 degree. Now write the question. Cos 70 cos 10 minus sin 70 sin 10 is equal to cos of A is 70, B is 10. How do you go? Cos 80. That's all. This is the answer. In trigonometric table, we will get the value for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 what is there. 80, no value. That's why this is the answer. And next one, it is of the cos square A minus sin square A. Do you know the formula? Cos square A minus sin square A equal to what is the formula? Cos square A minus sin square A. What is the formula? Cos 2A is the formula. Am I right? In cos 2A we have 3 formula. Cos 2A 3 formula. It is also cos square sin square equal to this is one of the formula. One more formula. Cos square is what? 1 minus sin square. That's why cos 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square formula. Cos 2A equal to what equal to cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square one formula. In some cos square is 1 minus sin square now. 1 minus sin square, already sin square is there. 2 sin square is one formula. One more formula. In some sin square is what? 1 minus cos square. Minus 1 plus 2 cos square minus 1. In the 3 formulas are there. Out of 3 formula, I am using the first formula. What is the reason? Question involving cos square and sin square. Here, A is what? Only 15 degree. Therefore, cos 15 minus sin 15 is equal to cos of 2a, a is 15. For cos of 2 into 15, 30 degree. Cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 is the answer. Am I right? Anyway, you must follow the formula clearly, you get the answer. That's all. Listen here. This is about a final question. Sin A given, the value of A is what? Lies between 0 and pi by 2. What do you mean 0 to pi by 2? 0 to pi by 2, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all positive. Sin value, cos value, tan value, all the results are positive. A, sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cut A. In all A, on A, no, this is all positive. Next one, cos B equal to minus 12 by 30. This is given. What is the angle given? B lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Pi is 180. 180 by 2, 90. 90 by 3, 270. 180 to 270. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan only positive. That means what? Sin, cos, these are negative. Am I right? That's why, from the depends upon the condition, you may avoid negative sign or include negative sign. That's very important. Now, the first one is what? Sin A, 3 by 5. That's why here on the A is here. This is 90. Sin A equal to, what's the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. 3 by 5 already given. Opposite is what? 3. Hypotenuse 5. We want this one. That means what? In the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus AB square. Or short form, root of 5 square minus 3 square. In this way, by that, or otherwise, by using the Pythagoras density calculation. For the diagram itself, you find the value. Given sin A equal to 3 by 5. This is the opposite side by hypotenuse. In diagram, this is A, B, C. Am I right? Opposite is 3, hypotenuse 5. We want this one, you know. So root of, listen here, inside square root, suppose hypotenuse asking me sum of the squares of other sides. Suppose hypotenuse given me, what is the formula? Root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square is the formula. That means what? Root of 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, 16. Root of 6 is what? Only 4. That right answer. In this way, that right answer. Root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square equal to root of 25 minus 9, root of 16 equal to 4. This is a actual side. Since, what is the angle? A is lies between this one. That means what? In bracket, therefore since this is the first quadrant. This is reason. For all our first, you know, what is asking? Cos A plus B, sin A plus B, tan A is asking. Anyway, we want sin A given, you will find cos A. After tan A, that's all. From sin A, I will given no. For cos A, you what? Adds by hypotenuse. That is the same pass, you know. 4 by 5. We want tan A. What is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. What is the formula? Opposite is what? 3 by adjacent 4. Am I right? Sin A given. From sin A, you would put cos A, tan A by using the given condition. First side over. Next is what? Again given. Tan B, sorry. Cos B equal to minus 12 by 30. Am I right? Minus 12 by 30 square. In cos, what is the formula? Adj by hypotenuse. Cos B means adj by hypotenuse. Therefore, what I told you? In 180 to 270 is there. That means third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan only positive. When we get the answer, you will get the cos B negative only given. You will find sin B that also negative. Tan only positive. Now what is the formula? This is the formula for adj by hypotenuse. Am I right? Now the draw. This is the angle B. AB. Am I right? Now at this part we have minus 4. 5 is what? 13. So what is the answer? Root of 13 square minus 4 whole square. That is what? 169 minus 144. That is what? Root of what is the answer? 169 minus 145 is root of 25. Root of 25 is what? Only 5. Am I right? Now since, again, mention the angle. Pi less than B less than 3 pi by 2. That's why the angle B is third quadrant. It is third quadrant. That's why in third quadrant, tan only positive. We want sin B cos B, no? Cos B already find out. Sin B, what is the formula? Opposite by 5 quarter minus. Opposite is what? Here, minus 5. That's very important. You want? We get the answer negative, no? Third quadrant, sin and cos only negative. Tan only positive. By calculation, pi is there, but you will consider minus 5. That's important. Minus 5 by 13. Tan B. Tan B is what? Opposite H. Opposite is what? Opposite is what? 5 by 12. What is the reason? Minus minus cancel. What is the reason? So tan will be sin by cos, you know, sin by cos. Both get to cancel. Or otherwise, what I told you? In the third quadrant, tan only positive, that's it plus. That's why I don't put negative sign. Because negative is given. Length cannot be negative. That's why you will consider only positive sign. After simplification, the given condition angle, you know, 180 to 270, third quadrant, tan only positive, remain quadrant negative. By use that idea, put negative sign. That's all. You put the number 5 by 13, put negative. But the tan is what? 5 by 12, only positive. What is the reason? Depends upon the given condition, you may use negative or positive. Now from the given data, sin A given, by use this idea, you will find the value of cos A tan A. Cos B given, from this idea, you will find the value of sin B cos B tan B. Now only write the formula. The first subdivision, what is asking? Cos A plus B is asking. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the formula. Cos A already find out 4 by 5. Cos B already given minus 4 by 30. Sin A given 3 by 5. Sin B already find out minus 5 by 30. The denominator 65 is LCM. Multiply minus 48 minus 1 plus 15. What is the answer? Minus 33 by 65 is the answer. First answer over. In this way we will find first answer. Anyway, depends upon symbol, you may use the negative or positive. That's very important. In calculation, only second square root, only positive only. But depends upon the quadrant, you may use negative or positive. First subdivision only now. Now I will start second subdivision. Here only. What is second subdivision? Sin A minus B. Second subdivision, sin A minus B. What is the formula? Sin A cos B, again, minus cos A sin B. Sin A already given. Am I correct? Sin A given. What is given? Sin A already given 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Cos B already given minus 4 by 30. Cos A is what? 4 by 5. Sin B is what? Already find out. Minus 5 by 30. Here also 65 is LCM. Multiply minus 36 minus plus 20. Am I right? Now minus 16 by 65 is the answer. What is third part? Third part is tan of A minus B is asking. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B. The tan A already found out 3 by 4. Tan B already found out 5 by 12. Am I right? In numerator, what is LCM? What is LCM? 12 is LCM. Here 3 by 9 minus 5. Denominator what is LCM? 48. The 48 plus 15. Now subtract 4 by 12 into 48 by adding both 53, 63. 1 times, 4 times. So 16 by 60 is the answer. In this way, you will find 1 by 1. This is also important 5 mark question. Someone in the calculation? Very, very important concept. This is since, not theta. Am I right? Since the angle lies between 180 to 270. That's why this is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan only positive, sin, cos and will be negative. But here first one is what? Please say 0 to 90. First quadrant, all positive. Negative will not come. In this way, you want to consider. About the same question, very, very important 5 mark question. Here I am doing the calculation directly. Hypotenuse square, root of something means hypotenuse square, at the square. Simplify, we get the answer. Root of 20 is 5. About this AC is 5. Direct do the conversion. Then only easy for it. This is the next 5 mark question. Only one part. Cos A equal to 13 by 14 and cos B equal to 1 by 7. Where A and B are acute angle. Acute angle means below 90. 0 to 90. 0 to 90 are all positive. But negative will not come. That's all. Here A minus B equal to pi by 3 ask you know. Either by using cos A minus B formula or sin A minus B formula we get the answer. Either by using sin A minus B formula or cos A minus formula we need sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B. But here cos A, cos B only given. From cos A you will find value sin A. From cos B you will find value sin B. But we know the formula for cos A, you know, sin square. What is the formula? 1 minus cos square is the formula. 1 minus 13 by 14 whole square. 1 minus, what is the answer? 169 to 196. 196 minus 169 by 196. What is the answer? Subtract 7. Am I right? 8, 2. 227 by 196 is the sin square A. We want sin A. Am I right, Dad? We want sin A. But sin A is equal to plus or minus root of 27 by 196. Next, sin A equal to only positive. What is the reason? Since A is acute angle. Acute angle means what? First quadrant. First quadrant all positive. That's why you will consider only positive sign. Root of 27 is what? 9 into 3. Root of 27 is what? 9 into 3. Therefore, 3 root 3 by square root of 196 is what? 14. Am I right? 3 root 3 by 14 is the answer. What is given? Sin A given. From sin A, you will find the cos A given. From cos A, you will find the sin A. Now next is what? Cos B given. Given cos B is 1 by 7. Therefore, sin square B is what? 1 minus cos square B. 1 minus 1 by 7 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 49. Take LCM. 49 minus 1. That is what? 48 by 9. 48. Therefore, sin B also equal to plus or minus 48 by 49. Here also, B also acute angle. Am I right? That's why below 90. That means what? First quadrant. Only positive. 48 can run as 16 into 3. 4 root 3 by 7 is sin B. Here also what is the reason? P is acute. That's why first quadrant. That's why I want to consider only positive. From cos A, you will find sin A. Next, from cos B, you will find the value sin B. Now write the formula for A minus B. You will find the ask you will use either sin A minus B formula or cos A minus B formula. You will start with the sin A minus B or cos A minus B. Automatically we get the answer. Is clear? Cos A given. We know the formula for sin square A equal 1 minus cos square A. Obviously either plus or minus will come, but A and B are acute angle. That means below 90 are positive. That's why you will consider only positive side. Next also positive side. Now write the formula for. I am using the formula cos A minus B. What is the formula? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is the formula. Cos A already given 13 by 14 into cos B is what? already given 1 by 7. Sin A is what? 3 root 3 by 4, 14, into sin B is what? 4 root 3 by 7. Now what is LCM? 14 into 7 is LCM. Am I correct? Multiply 13 plus 3 4s are 12 into root 3 what? Only 3. Now 13 plus 36 by 14 into 7. Now adding both 49 by 14 into 7. 1 time, 7 times. Again, 1 time, 2 times. Now sin of cos of A plus B is equal to cos of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. We want only A minus B, no? So cos of A minus B equal to this 1 by 2 can be written as cos of 5 by 3 because cos 6 is 1 by 2. Cos cancel, we get the answer A minus B equal to 5 by 3. This is the answer. That's all. Am I correct? Very important final question. Cos A, cos B given. From cos A we will find sin A. From cos B we will find sin B. Afterwards, A minus B equal to 5 by 3 you want to prove. That's why you have start with the cos A minus B or sin A minus B. After simplification, number is coming. Suppose you start sin A, same A minus B means, what is the answer? What is the answer will come? Root 3 by 2 will come. That means what? Sin 60 degree. That 5 by 3. Sin cancel, we get the answer A minus B 5 by 3. That's all. Both answers will be equal. That's all. Now listen here, fifth question. Prove that 2 times tan 80 is equal to tan 85 minus tan 5. And start with LHS. For 2 into the tan of 80 came in as 85 minus 5. What is the reason? The answer involving 85. That's why I want to write 85 minus 5. Now it is of the form tan A minus B. What's the formula? Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B is the formula for tan A minus B. Now once again 2 into the numerator same thing. Denominator is 1 plus tan 85. This came as cot of 90 minus 5. Am I right? What I told you? Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Now 2 into tan 85 tan 5 divided by 1 plus this tan 85 can be written as 1 by cot 85. Am I right? Into this is also cot 85. This will cancel. Numerator 2 into tan 85 minus tan 5 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 to cancel. For tan 85 minus tan 5. That is RHS. Start with LHS. You get automatically get the RHS. Small concept by using tan A minus B formula. That's all.